When considering hiring a professional house cleaner, it's important to do all of the right research to ensure that you're getting the best service possible. When letting someone in your home to clean, it's also important to make sure you are with a company you can trust. Follow these steps during your research so you can feel confident in your choice of a house cleaner. Hiring a professional service instead of an independent house cleaner can save you a headache for a few reasons. Liability. Hiring an individual puts the homeowner in a position where they are liable for collecting, reporting, and paying taxes on their employee. Additionally, individuals do not typically carry proper general liability and workers' compensation insurance. This means that if they are injured in your home or damage one of your belongings, your homeowner's insurance is 100% liable. Reliability. If you are relying on a single individual cleaning your home, you'll be out of luck if they get sick, go on vacation, or just decide they don't feel like working on a day your home is supposed to be cleaned. Effectiveness. Individuals typically do not have professional training to clean a home, nor do they follow any kind of strategic system of cleaning, undefined. It's important to understand what the professional service will be cleaning in your home and what they may not. Additionally, be sure to understand at what frequency things will be detail cleaned. Make sure the company you are considering performs background checks on their employees. This will give you peace of mind when opening up your home. Find out how they are determining the cost of your service. Will they come to your home to verify their price estimate? This is important to ensure you are not being ripped off. Reading reviews from current customers will help you to fully grasp if the cleaning service is worth the cost. Having a company that uses environmentally friendly products will be healthier for you, your family, and your pets.